Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Miss English podcast, where learning English is easy, simple, and fun. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy to be with you today.
And I'm David. Hello, Emily, and hello to all of our wonderful listeners from around the world. Thank you for spending your time with us.
Yes, we love that you're here. And before we begin, a quick reminder. If you enjoy this podcast, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are learning English. Your support helps our podcast grow, and it helps more learners like you improve their English.
Exactly. So today we're talking about the weekend, one of the most common topics in everyday English. Everyone asks this question. How was your weekend? It's a simple question, but many English learners don't know how to answer it well.
So today, we will teach you vocabulary, phrases, examples, and natural conversation to help you talk about your weekend easily. All right, David, let's start with you. How was your Saturday morning?
My Saturday morning was wonderful. I woke up a little later than usual, around 8:30. Normally, I wake up at 6:30 on weekdays, so this felt very relaxing.
Oh yes, sleeping in is one of the best parts of the weekend.
Exactly. After that, I made a cup of coffee and sat on my balcony for a few minutes. The weather was perfect. Sunny, but not too hot.
That sounds peaceful. Did you eat breakfast at home?
I did. I had toast with butter and strawberry jam and some sliced bananas. A simple breakfast, but very good.
Nice. My Saturday morning was a bit different. I woke up early because my kids woke up early.
Ah, yes. Children don't sleep in on weekends.
No, they do not. So we all got ready and went to the shopping mall.
The mall on a Saturday morning is always busy.
Very busy. People were shopping, eating, taking photos, talking loudly. It was a very lively place, but it was fun.
Did you buy anything?
No, not this time. We only walked and looked around. This is called window shopping, right?
Yes. Window shopping means you look, but you don't buy.
Exactly. After that, we had ice cream. Chocolate for me and vanilla for the kids.
A perfect Saturday morning.
So, David, what about your Saturday afternoon?
In the afternoon, I went for a walk in the park near my house. I love that park. It has big trees, a small lake, and many benches where you can sit and relax.
That sounds beautiful. Did you go alone?
Yes, I went alone this time. Sometimes being alone helps me clear my mind.
I understand. Did you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to soft music, instrumental music. Very calming.
Nice. My Saturday afternoon was more active. We went home from the mall, and then I cleaned the house.
Ah, the weekend cleaning routine.
Yes, sweeping, mopping, doing laundry, the usual. I listened to music to make it more fun.
That always helps.
Okay, David, tell me about your Saturday night.
Saturday night was loud. Very loud. I went to a children's birthday party.
Oh no, here we go.
Yes, there were at least 15 kids running, jumping, shouting, and laughing. The energy level was very high.
Children have endless energy.
Endless, but the decorations were beautiful. Blue and yellow balloons everywhere, and a big happy birthday sign.
And the cake?
Oh, the cake. A giant chocolate cake with 5 layers. So good.
Wow, that sounds amazing, even for adults.
Yes, but the kids ate too much sugar, so you can imagine what happened.
Chaos?
Chaos. Absolute chaos.
My Saturday night was the opposite of chaos. My husband and I went to a Japanese restaurant for dinner.
Ooh, sushi night.
Yes, we had sushi, tempura, miso soup, and green tea. The restaurant was small and quiet, with soft music and dim lights.
That sounds so relaxing.
It really was. We enjoyed talking, eating slowly, and just relaxing after a busy day.
Let's move to Sunday. How was your Sunday morning?
Sunday morning was calm and meaningful. We went to church, like we always do. It helps me feel thankful and peaceful.
A lovely routine.
Yes. After church, we came home and had a big family lunch.
Nice. My Sunday morning was very lazy. I stayed in pajamas until almost noon.
That is the true weekend life.
Exactly. I had a simple breakfast, just cereal and milk. Then I sat on the couch and played with the kids.
What about Sunday afternoon?
We watched a family movie, a comedy. The kids loved it. And yes, we had popcorn.
Of course. Movie means popcorn.
Exactly. After that, I took a short nap.
A nap is the best weekend luxury.
It really is. What about your Sunday afternoon?
I read a book for about an hour. It was very relaxing. Then I prepared some food for the week. In the evening, we watched a movie together as a family. It was a nice ending to the weekend.
Same here. After the kids went to bed, my wife and I watched one episode of a TV series. We're watching a mystery show right now.
Mysteries are so fun to watch.
Let's review some useful weekend vocabulary. Number 1, sleep in. Number 2, window shopping. Number 3, relax. Number 4, rest. Number 5, go out. Number 6, stay home. Number 7, clean the house. Number 8, cook lunch. Number 9, watch a movie. Number 10, take a nap. Number 11, go to church. Number 12, go to the park. Number 13, celebrate a birthday. Number 14, have dinner out.
Great words to use when describing your weekend. When talking about the weekend, we always use past tense.
Here are some examples. I went to the mall. I ate sushi. I watched a movie. I cleaned my house. I rested at home. I visited my family.
Practice using these forms when describing your weekend in English.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together.
Think about your own weekend. Ask yourself, what did I do on Saturday morning? Say it out loud.
Now think about Saturday afternoon. Where did I go? Who was I with?
Now Sunday. Did I rest? Did I watch a movie? Did I clean? Did I visit someone?
Great. And please share your answers with us in the comments. Writing it in English will help you remember it better.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode.
Yes, thank you. We hope this helped you learn new vocabulary and feel more confident talking about your weekend.
Please remember to like, subscribe, and share the Miss English podcast.
And come back for more English learning with us.
Bye for now.